Hi guys, today we will explain about how to track your order on Temu. The first thing is log in your account in Temu, and on the home page of Temu, take a look on the right top. Here you will see your profile name. Just take your mouse cursor on it, and in this pop-up tap on this option your orders. In this section, you can track your order. If you have ordered something and want to track its location, then here are few ways. The first one is all order. In this area, if you have ordered something, then all of your order will be here. And the next step is processing. If your order is in processing, then tap on this option processing, and here you can check the processing of your order. And the third one is shipped. If your order is shipped, then the detail of your order will be here. And the one of the best way of tracking your order is here is the option item name, order ID or tracking number. When you will order something, you can enter the name of that order and can track it. And also you can check the status of that by writing the ID or tracking number of that. And these were the basic ways by which you can track your order on Temu.